Welcome to McCrazy Fit. I'm Tucker. We'll be doing a standing mat Pilates workout focusing on the core, also working to improve balance and stability. I'm glad you're with me. Let's get started. We'll begin standing up straight, feet hip width apart, arms at the sides. Inhale, circle the arms up and around, bringing the palms together. And lightly pressing the palms together, bringing them all the way down. Let's get a nice stretch in the hands. Keep the palms together as long as possible. Keep going down. Slowly the hands peel apart until only the fingertips are touching, and let's slowly go back up. Applying pressure into the hands and down. Good. Press those palms together. Keep them as long as you can, slowly peeling apart till only the fingertips are touching. And now let's bring the back of the hands together and slowly lift them up as long as you can, and then peeling apart and back down. One more time. Good. And down. Let's bring the arms right out in front. Open the hands and bring the arms out wide and back. And again, inhale, open the chest and back. Good, last one. Inhale, keep those arms back, and let's bring the fingertips behind the head very gently. Fingertips pulling the spine longer, and lean over to the side with the inhale. Exhale to center, and the other way. Inhale, exhale. Excellent. Let's keep going. Knees are straight but not locked. Imagine a straight line going down the side of the body from the ears to the shoulder to the hip, knee, and ankle bone. Good job. One more each way. Inhale. Keep that spine long. Exhale back to center. Good. Last one. And now inhale. Bring the shoulder blades together. Press the elbows back. Lift the chest. And exhale to start. Give me a few more of those. Inhale. Squeeze the shoulder blades. Exhale back. And again, not arching the lower back. Slight extension of the thoracic spine. Good, and now let's put those two moves together. So we'll inhale, slight extension over to the right. Exhale down, around, and back up. Good. Let's switch directions. So we're inhaling over to the left. Exhale down. Keep the elbows behind the head. And back. Good. We're going 5 each way. 4 more. Excellent job. Let's not have any movement in the hips. Just the twist of the spine. Elbow staying back behind the head. We have 2 more each direction. Inhale, over. Exhale, down and around. Good. Last set. Inhale, over. Exhale, down and around. Good. Last one. Great. Let's get a nice stretch in the back. Bring those elbows together as close as you can. And back, good. Nice stretch in the upper back, muscles along the spine. And one more. Good. Drop the arms if needed. If not, let's keep them up. And we'll move into a spine twist with an exhale, twist to the left. Inhale to center. Exhale, twist to the right. Inhale to center, good. 4 more each way. Keep those elbows behind the head, hips pointing forward. Weight evenly resting on all parts of the feet and toes. Great. 4 more. Keep going. Last set. Arms out in front. Curl from the chest. Imagine your arms are on a counter and they're sliding across the counter. Not bending at the waist. Curling from the chest, or thoracic flexion. Give me a few more of those. And arms out wide. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, twist to the left. Inhale back to center, good. Exhale, twist to the right. 5 each way. Still standing up straight. Legs are straight, but knees aren't locked out. Twist a little farther. And center. And a little farther the other way. Good, 1 more set. Lower the arms if you need to. If not, we're moving into a standing saw, putting those 2 movements together. Here we go. Twist and curl. Reach towards the floor. And back and the other way. Twist, curl. Up and back. Good. 4 more on each side. Keep breathing. Great job. Good. Here we go. Last set. Great, and back to center. And bend the knees, bring the hands onto them. Good structure in the shoulders here. Give me a pelvic curl. Exhale, point the tailbone down. Inhale, back to start. Good. And 4 more. Exhale, really tighten the lower abs. To tuck the tailbone under. 2 more. Last one. Tighten the lower belly, tuck the tailbone, exhale, inhale back to start. Good, and let's stay here. Now we'll get the arms up and down. Good, again, inhale up. Don't arch the back. Exhale down. Inhale. Real tight in the core. Steady all in here. Good, 2 more. Okay, leave those arms up and let's twist to the left and center. Twist to the right and center. Good, 4 more each way. Exhale on the twist. Inhale back to center. And let that spine grow a little longer. Arms nice and straight. Good, last set. Grow a little taller. Reach a little farther, last one. Hands on the knees, and give me a big cat stretch. Tuck that tailbone. And back, and 2 more. Inhale, round the back. Tuck the tailbone, and back to start. Last one. And stand. Real tight in the core here. Let's shift all the weight over to the right leg and lift the left leg up and down. Weight shifts to the left, right leg up. Good, and let's do 2 more on each side. It can help focusing on a single spot on the floor when balancing on one leg. And now let's bring the left leg up and give me a very slow and controlled wave. Back and forth. Staying real tight in the midsection. Legs stay strong. 1 more each way. Come back to center, straighten that leg, point the toe. Flex the foot, swing it back. And forward point, and back. Forward point, and back. 2 more. Good, and keep breathing. And back, excellent. Let it come to the side, and out, and back. Exhale, and back. Good, 3 more. Last one. Good, and down, and right leg up. And wave. Slow and controlled. Breathing at a steady pace. Internal, external hip rotation. Last one. Let it come to rest in the center. Straighten, toe pointed. Flex the foot, bring it back. Forward, point. And back. Inhale forward. Exhale back. 3 more. Last one. Good, and back onto the side, and out, and back. Exhale, inhale, 4 more. Last one, and come out to the edge of the mat, feet hip width apart. Let the head gently begin to fall, and we'll roll the body all the way down. Bend the knees as needed until the hands are touching the mat. And we're going to walk out into a front support or a plank position. And gently walk back. Rolling all the way up. Let's go again. We're going to add a push-up. Walking out. Hands are the width of the mat, and 5 push-ups. Inhale down slowly. Exhale up. 2 more. And let's walk back. And roll up. 2 more. Having the hands contacting the mat evenly, all points of the hand and the fingers. We can go down onto the knees for the push-ups, or just stay in front support in the plank position. Good, and walking back, rolling up. Last one. Five push-ups. Inhale down, exhale up. Last one. And lower slowly down to the mat. Let's release the hands and raise the arms up overhead. Reach the arms and feet long, wiggling out. One more big stretch. And we're done. Great job. If you enjoyed this workout, help to support the channel by liking and sharing. All of my equipment is linked in the description. They are Amazon affiliate links, so if you use them to make a purchase, I get a small commission at no extra charge to you. Leave a comment about the workout that you'd like to see next. I'll see you there.